Today is the 26th of November 2020, and this is Melkonkatu. Melkonkatu 3 Stekis B in Vattuniemi, Hallonnies, Lauttasaari, Ryms, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Finland. The capacity is 4 persons or 320 grams. I have to check the name of the street in Swedish as well later. I'm not sure what it is. I haven't checked it. And there are 7 floors here, and it was built in 1973. It's just like I guessed, actually. The serial number is H29306, and it's going to be inspected in 2022, and it will be 50 years old in 2023, if not modernized. NPN 6, stop and alarm buttons inside. Otherwise, NPN 8. It's amazing, but it could have been made faster.
Yeah.
And then next to this building we have found one with NPN 6 as well.
Yeah.
Well, I mean 3 staircases there. And this one also has 3 staircases. We're in B at the moment. We are gonna get to A and C as well.
Yeah.
Then we have one from 1978 where they are repairing the pipes at the moment.
Yeah.
Well, we haven't really been inside it yet to check that it's been so busy.
Yeah.
But we might do it later.
Yeah. Inspekteerbaar kiva inspekteermenten paikka.
I don't think I have filmed the 1970s without any doors on Lauttasaari rooms yet.
Yeah.
The early 70s, I haven't yet. Only from the 50s and 60s.
Yeah.
And so this is kind of something else than just those 50s. They're amazing too, but also we need to film others as well.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a good variation.
Yeah.
And we have seen also 10-floor high buildings, which are from the 70s probably.
Yeah.
Maybe also something original, we'll see it later.
That's
Thank you very much for watching.